Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician's channel, and today we're going to be going into a product sent to me by a longtime subscriber, Dave Young. I can't thank you enough, Dave. We've been in contact for quite a few years now, basically ever since I started my channel 4 or 5 years ago. And we always keep in touch. We always keep up to date with one another, and you're a great friend, and I love your support to the channel, and I can't thank you guys enough. But today he sent me a product we're going to be going over, and that is an SK product, and they're 6-inch slip joint pliers. I have a couple other pairs of slip joint pliers here that I'm going to compare it to. We're going to go over the things that I really like about it and the differences from the other slip joint pliers. But I really hope you guys enjoy, and if you guys do, please make sure to hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down in the comment section if you've ever used SK pliers, and as always, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Let's get into this.
Alrighty YouTubers, so today we have another fantastic product by SK.
What we have here today is a pair of 6-inch SK slip joint pliers, and once again, like I said before, it was sent to me by a very long time subscriber, Dave Young. So once again, thank you so much. They're fantastic pliers. I can already tell they're of very high quality, and I'm really going to enjoy them, so thank you. Other than that, the product information, this is what it was shipped in. It was also inside of a very large box with a lot of bubble wrap, so it was packaged probably a little too well. So the part number is SK7206, and they are 6-inch slip joint pliers, but they actually measure more around 6 3/4, and these are going to be made in the USA. 7206 there, AK, so it's got my initials on it. The great thing about this is SK, they do have some pretty expensive products, but they have very good products. But these are very affordable, even if you're a DIYer and you're not looking at spending a whole lot of money, or if you're a mechanic that's not looking at spending a whole lot of money, but you want a good set of pliers. These are on sale for $20. You can find them for $20 and upwards of $35. I'll try and have them linked down in the description for you guys if you guys are interested in them, as well as these other two and a lot of other tools. So just check the link next to the tools, and you'll see everything I have available. Other than that, before we get into comparing them, I do just want to show them to you. So it does have a nice smooth green grip, a comfort grip. Not bulky, you know, it's just the over molding. The fit and finish on this is fantastic. For the same price as these channel locks, you're going to see the quality difference, not just in the finish, but the quality control. Other than that, I really love the slip joint pivot point and how flush it is, how they've recessed it into the pliers, so you don't have the button or the nut like many other slip joint pliers. So the other thing that I really love about them are the teeth. This is another set that has a couple different open jaw features, and then you have a couple teeth up here in the front as well, but some really nice teeth here, and then you have a friction cutter here at the bottom as well. I would say the quality control and the finish on these are much higher than channel lock, and I love my channel lock because they're USA made, they're very affordable, and they've always been great to me. But sometimes they lack in their quality control, sometimes the finish just isn't the best, but I've never had an issue with them. But that doesn't change the fact that I believe that these are a much higher quality finish and quality control on these. And it does seem like they might have a protective coating on here. If you look along here, it could just be the finish of the tool, but it does have a nice finish. So the one thing I did notice that was a little bit different is at the very tip of the jaws here, you just have a flat portion, and then you get into a couple teeth and then the two open jaw portions. So just taking a quick look, they are very similar to the Tecton pliers that I have with the two open jaw features. I do believe that the teeth on these feel a little bit deeper and sharper than the channel lock and the Tecton. So I really do like the way they've designed these teeth. And I've always liked the two different options of jaws in there, so that's a nice touch. And then once again, it's much slimmer here, just due to the fact that the pivot point is recessed into the pliers. And then here it is to the channel lock. and you can just kind of see the fit and finish, how clean the SK is. And I already know that these are very high quality pliers, and they're going to be a very nice addition, and I'm going to be very happy with them. So there's just kind of a look at them. Here's a look at the pivot point feature. I just really like that design, how smooth it is. It operates really well. Overall, a very, very nice set of pliers. So for $20 to $35, I think this is a great deal. And obviously SK has a lot of other tools, so I might be looking into more of them, doing more reviews on them. If you'd like to see more SK reviews, please let me know. If there's anything that I forgot to mention, please drop it down in the comments. Or if you've ever used SK pliers, once again, let me know your thoughts down in the description or down in the comments. Other than that, I can't thank you enough, Dave. Like I've already said multiple times already, thank you so much, and I look forward to hearing from you. So we'll keep in contact, and can't thank you guys enough. My subscribers are absolutely fantastic, and you guys are always awesome. I love when you guys leave comments. I love interacting with you guys. So once again, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed, please make sure to hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down in the comment section, and as always, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. See you guys next time.